Hi, this is Emily. This is my video for the assignment Big Data, and I'm focusing on the country Bolivia. So what is Big Data? It's data that contains greater variety, arriving in increasing volumes and with more velocity. Big Data is larger and has more complex data sets. Who is using Big Data? Banking and securities, communications, media and entertainment, healthcare providers, education, manufacturing and natural resources, governments, insurance companies, retail and wholesale trade, transportation, energy, and utilities. I feel like big data can be used in pretty much any industry. You just use it to monitor systems and stuff like that, so most industries use it. Why are they using big data? Banking and securities use big data for risk and analysts for things like anti-money laundering. Retail traders use big data for trade analytics. They use high-frequency trading, pre-trade, decision support analytics, sentiment measurement, predictive analytics, etc. And I only focused on banking and securities just because if I went through every single one, it would take a long time. Where are they using big data? Many industries use big data. Insurance, education, companies all use it to monitor systems, like I stated before. I feel like most industries use it, or ones that have easy access to big databases use them. It's more prevalent in developed countries and more advanced cities compared to like rural areas and rural countries. When are they using it? It was introduced in the 1990s, and it was predicted to grow by 19.2% over the next 5 years. Some of the barriers that it faces is data storage, regulatory compliance, data security, data integration, organizational structure, etc. like that. How can big data help solve local SDG issues in Bolivia to help achieve a better and more sustainable future for all? So in this case, I focused more on the food scarcity in Bolivia. So zero hunger, crowdsourcing or tracking food prices online can help monitor food security. Good health and well-being, mapping movement of mobile phone users can help predict the spread of infectious disease. On this slide, I included a global hunger index, and I forgot to put the United States on here, but I just put Bolivia on here, and you can see how over the past 2 decades, how Bolivia has become in a worse state than it has been for the past 2 decades. I'm pretty sure the U.S. is definitely not as bad as Bolivia, but Bolivia has definitely gone down by a lot, and I think it's on the moderate scale. If you look at the map database for that, it's on like a moderate scale of food scarcity. So 2 truths and a lie. Media and entertainment don't use big data. On the global hunger index, Bolivia is not facing a food crisis. Big data was introduced in the 1990s. So the lie in this one is on the global hunger index, Bolivia is not facing a food crisis. Alright, that's my video. Thank you.